Hello everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back with 10 cards using the Spellbinders card kit of the month. As many of you know, Spellbinders changed this card kit of the month now. Starting 2023, they've removed the dies and the stamps, which I'm really sad. I had to unsubscribe. The new card kit that they have is $30. And you're paying $30 for no more dies, no more stamps, a very reduced amount of pattern paper, and I made 10 cards using this kit like I've been doing for the past year or so. So if you have time, check back in my channel and you'll see 10 cards, one kit using the Spellbinders card kits of the month. Oh, that's plastic. Okay. Anyway, let me show you what came in the kit. So the dies, which is this one put together, and then I'm showing you what is left. Okay, and then this, I don't really use this at all. I use my wet glue because I'm the queen of misalignment. So I always have to, I found through the years that if I use paper tape, no, what is that called? Tape like that, the not liquid glue. It's very early. I've only had one coffee, so I can't find my words. Anyway, I prefer wet glue because I am, like I said, the queen of misalignment. So I have to be able to finagle. If I'm putting things down and it's crooked, I have to be able to adjust it. So anyway, I hope you understood what I just said. This I used this time. These are chipboard stickers. You can peel it back. The backing of this you can peel back, but I still use glue, and I didn't use it this time. That's good for shakers. I use this. This is the stamp, and there's been of course there's been a lot of videos. There are a lot of videos of the unboxing. So if you want a detailed view of all these, this is the epoxy stickers. It's dimensional, but it's that soft. And these are the chipboard stickers. I love their chipboard stickers because they're not so thick. Not like, like thickers. I'm not complaining about the thickers. I'm just saying that the Spellbinders chipboard stickers are thinner, which is lovely. And then this is the paper pad. So in the new card kit, you'll only get one pattern. So it's not two of the same pattern anymore. It's just one. And these are the 8.5 by 11 cards that came with the kit. And then I'll show you also the other things that I used before I show you what I made. I used this Uniball, oh, of course, Uniball Signo. This is from Helen. Thank you, Helen. This I've had for, I think this is older than my daughter, and I kid you not, jelly roll pens. I love them because they never clog up on me. Never. I'm making birthday invitations for my daughter, for my daughter's debut. I have not used this in a million years, and let me show you that. This is another jelly roll. I have not used this in a million. I didn't even know I had this, but I needed a metallic gold ink, and still flows like it was made yesterday. And then I also used this layering circles dies from Stampinup, and this I bought on eBay, and I was totally enabled by Helen to buy this because it's really nice. It's you see how small the scallops are? I love that, and I'll show you how I use that in the video. I mean, when I show you my cards. And then I use this too. I don't know who remembers this from Michael's. It's the Recollections brand. But this is not the one that I used because I used up the one that I used in the card. But this is how it comes. That I'm going to show you it later. And then this one is from, I think this is from AliExpress. I don't know if I used it. I don't think I used it. It was just in my, but I'm showing it to you anyway. This is what I used. Blanket stitch layers die. So I'm going to show you how I use that. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, I'm already at 5 minutes. Anyway, here's the first card I'm showing you. There's that die, the blanket stitch die. from Waffle Flower. And then I just, you know, layered up a bunch of ephemera. This gray cardstock is from my stash. It's those 8.5 by 11 cardstock from Michaels that you get for 50 a pack or 25 a pack. This is a chipboard sticker. These are just ephemera, so they're thinner. And that's it. And I used that Uniball pen from Helen to make those dash lines right there. Oh, and I also just dotted, because they were drowning. You know, you really could not notice it. So I put dots just to let them stand out a bit. That's the first card. And then oh, I forgot to tell you, I am participating in the new collab with my friends. It's called Shop Your Stash Jan. And every month the hashtag changes. So for February, it's Shop Your Stash Feb. And then for March, it's Shop Your Stash Mar, because it's the first 3 letters of every month. So please check the description box for my friends' channels. I always link them down below, but this time it's, you know, they're also participating in this collab. And I am late because I thought it was the last week of, or last Sunday of every month, but no, it's actually every 4th Sunday of every month. And it's an open collab, so you can upload using that month's hashtag. So here's the second card I'm showing you. I love this paper from the collection. This is an ephemera. It's not a chipboard. I just popped it using the pop dots. So, and this is that sequin mix from the kit. And then this is another pattern paper. So pattern paper, ephemera, and then this is a chipboard sticker because it's thicker. All right, that's it. Here's another one. I use that blanket stitch again. Die. I love that die. And then very simple. You know, I struggle with simple layouts. I do. I have a friend, her name's Lisa, and her channel, her Instagram name is craftpamore. Oh my God, she's the queen of simple layers. She just stamps 2 things on cards and it always comes out so gorgeous. So I struggle with this. To me is very, very simple, and I stared at this for a while thinking I should add some more, add some more, but I was content after all. And then this is another one. I love that. Don't you love that? Anytime there's like scallopy things and then add dots, and then, my God, the blanket stitch, I just love it. And then look at this pattern paper. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna miss Spellbinders card kits. I unsubscribed, unfortunately, for 2023 because I was not paying $30 for what they, you know, put together for that card. Maybe I'll pay $20 or 25, but not 30 for what they put together for the card kits for 2023. Here's that Stampin' Up die. I just layered a smaller circle and put it on top of a bigger scallop because that set of dies comes with the plain circles and then the scallop circles. So anyway, simple. This is a chipboard sticker. And that's it. This is epoxy sticker, ephemera, ephemera, ephemera. And then all pattern paper. This is from my stash, the pink one. And it's the same cardstock as this one. And whenever I put a collage together, a card front, I just, you know, gather papers that will go well with what is on the print, just so they're not clashy. And then here, I don't think this is not my favorite of all. I just feel like the reason I put this on here is because had I not done that, these ephemeras would have been just drowning in that very busy background. So here's that die again from Waffle Flower, more of the sequin and epoxy. If you hear something, that's my cat exploring my craft table. I think he was a human in his past life and was a crafter, because every time, see, he's playing with my pen, glitter pen. Every time I'm in here, he's in here too. But anyway, Either that, he was a crafter in his past life, or he just loves me so much he can't part from me. So this is a, you know, something for your husband or your boyfriend. I just put together, and they're happy, they're biking, the sun is out, and I think that's cute, right? And then here's that gem here, that bling, but it's clear. So that's what, again, this, to me, this was too simple. That's why I added this just for extra. And I love this paper. And I love this gray. They don't make this anymore. They don't sell this anymore at Michael's. I love it. It's like the non-black of things, so it's not so stark. You're learning a lot of things from me. The non-liquid tape, the non-black. I could have just said bluish gray, right? But no, just one coffee. That's what you get, guys. Here's another one. This is another, it's part of that pack, because it was like blue to gray or gray to blue kind of paper pack, the 8.5 by 11 cardstock from Michael's, and that's another blue that came from that pack. And I just love it because it picks up that blue right there, that blue leaf. So again, when I put things, when I'm trying to conceptualize a layout, I derive from what the colors are on the, to complement. And then again, that's the Signo, Uniball Signo pen. This is ephemera. This is chipboard. And I just said love. It could be an anniversary card. I'll just probably give that to my husband on our anniversary in March. And then here's that paper. This is my favorite of all the papers in the collection. Look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? Here's another one where it started with just this paper from my stash, this pattern paper. Oh, and I used that clear pen. You know, that other one, this one? I used it on, see how it has some shimmer? And just that little touch ups the card, to me, at least. And then it started with just this paper, this pattern paper, and then this. But the me that can't settle with a very simple card layout had to add these three. I think it's still, you know, even without these, I think this would still have been a beautiful card, but just being true to myself, I struggle with simple layouts. Anyway, okay, I'll stop talking now because I'm at 12. I'm almost at 13 minutes. Again, it's an open collab. It's shopyourstashjan for this month. You can still upload if it's still January. If you're uploading in February, then you change the last 3 letters to the first 3 letters of the month. So it'll be Shop Your Stash February. Please check out the description box below. Thanks to my old subscribers for still watching, clicking. Thanks to Penny's Craft Creations. She always comments on my, she has a lot of followers in her channel, I think. I've checked her once, but she's always commenting, and I thank you for doing that, commenting and liking my videos. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thanks for deciding to subscribe. And I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.